here's the reality: small YouTube channels play by a different set of rules. And if you don't understand these rules, you're going to stay stuck forever. Yes, you heard me right. So, today I'm going to show you exactly why, and more importantly, how to break out of that invisible zone once and for all. Alright guys, welcome back to the YouTubers Hub, where we crack the code about the YouTube algorithm. If you don't know me, my name is Sammy, and I'm the brain behind this channel. If you're new here, you're welcome, and if you're not, thanks for returning. Also, if videos like these interest you, hit that subscribe button, as this channel is dedicated to making you a successful YouTuber. Now, let's look at the two major whys and how to resolve them. 1. Why YouTube treats small channel differently. To solve this puzzle, let's look at some differences first. For example, did you know that when large channels upload a 4K video, it processes within minutes? Meanwhile, a smaller channel's video could take hours to process. Why? Because YouTube prioritizes resources for channels that have proven themselves. Another key difference is in how YouTube tests videos. On small channels, YouTube often tests your content in tiny bursts. You might see an initial spike in views, followed by a flat line where no new viewers are being shown your video. This testing cycle repeats, and if your video doesn't perform during these windows, it stops getting promoted. Now, here's the big question you might be asking. Why does this happen? Well, it's pretty simple. Because bigger channels have more data. YouTube already knows what their audience likes. Whereas with small channels, the algorithm needs to gather enough signals to understand who your content is for before pushing it out. Now, don't get deceived by people showing results of how they blew up with just 1 or 2 videos. Chances are, it's probably luck. So, how do we beat the algorithm in this aspect? How do we give it more data to work with and also make it get our signals correctly? Well, it's mind-blowing how simple doing this actually is. It all boils down to publishing or posting more quality contents. Think of it this way: each video you upload is another test point for the algorithm. The more you upload, while maintaining quality, the faster YouTube can figure out who your audience is. Some might ask, what if you're short on time? You are that person. Here's my advice for you. Focus on what moves the needle. Cut out tasks that don't directly contribute to making and improving your videos. Prioritize efficiency, batch record content, repurpose ideas, and stick to a consistent upload schedule. Remember, if you don't think of YouTube as a possible career and treat it as one, it's never gonna pay you. Now, before we jump to the second why, do well to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already, and give this video a like if so far you've been getting value. 2. Why audience behavior is different for small channels. Another challenge small creators face? Audience psychology. People interact with small channels differently than large ones. Here's a relatable example. Ever been to a market? Imagine 2 stalls, one with a crowd and one that's empty. Most people naturally gravitate toward the busy stall because it feels proven. On YouTube, it's the same. When your channel is small, people are hesitant. It's not about your content being bad, it's just human nature to trust what others already like. So, how do you flip this dynamic? Be present and authentic. Engage with your audience in the comments. When people see that you're real, active, and grateful for every viewer, they become emotionally invested in your success. When you start getting comments like, "Wow, why isn't this channel bigger?" that's a strong signal that you're on the right track. Also, focus on niching down. The more specific your content is, the easier it is for YouTube to match your videos with passionate viewers who care deeply about that topic. Now, here's an additional factor that you really need to consider and kill off to ensure your growth. I call it blind spots. It is one of the biggest reasons small channels stay hidden in forever. Blind spots are things you're not seeing because you're too close to your own content. Every successful creator I work with has had moments where outside feedback changed everything. If you've never built a large YouTube channel before, getting external insights can accelerate your growth. Here's how to find and fix your blind spots. 1. Watch competitor channels, study what successful creators in your niche are doing right. 2. Collaborate with others, partnering with other YouTubers exposes you to new audiences and ideas. 3. Ask for feedback, find a mentor or trusted viewer who can give honest, actionable advice. It might interest you to know that I've got a deep dive video on removing blind spots coming soon, stay tuned for that. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, it really helps this channel grow and reach more small creators like you. Also, drop a comment below and tell me, what's your biggest struggle as a small YouTube creator? I read every comment, and your feedback helps shape future videos. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the YouTube algorithm, and I'll see you in the next one.